Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a power solution for some popular home audio systems, specifically the T-Power AC-DC adapter design for certain ZVOX E-based soundbar models. This adapter from T-Power is built with brand new components, offering a wide input range of AC 100V to 240V. This means it's ready for use pretty much anywhere in the world, which is convenient. The output is listed as 14V to 16V, confirming its compatibility with devices requiring 15V DC, which is exactly what many ZVOX Z-based units need. Now, the key thing with replacement adapters is compatibility, and T-Power is very clear about which models this unit supports. It's designed to work seamlessly with the ZVOX Z-Bass 220, 320, 330, including the V320 and Model 400, 3201. It also powers the Z-Bass 415, 420, 440, Model 400, 4201, and the Z-Bass 450, including those with part numbers 400, 2201, 400, 3201, and 400, 4201. So, if you have one of these specific Z-Bass models and need a replacement power supply, this T-Power adapter is presented as a direct fit. However, and this is really important to note, T-Power explicitly states that this adapter will not fit or work with the ZVOX Z-Bass 430, 525, or 550 series soundbars. If you own one of those models, you'll need to look for a different power supply. Always double-check your specific ZVOX model number before purchasing any replacement adapter. Physically, the adapter is quite light, weighing in at just 4 ounces. It uses a standard barrel connector, which is common for these types of audio devices. The black finish is standard and unobtrusive. Essentially, this T-Power adapter serves as a reliable replacement for the original power supply if it's been lost, damaged, or if you simply need a spare. It provides the correct voltage and current specification for the listed compatible ZVOX Z-Bass models, ensuring your soundbar gets the power it needs to function correctly. It's a straightforward solution for getting your audio system back up and running without hassle, provided you have one of the compatible models.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.